Come test drive the 2022 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.